Hello friends and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today we will learn how to set up Microsoft Authenticator. So first of all, open your browser and log into your Outlook account. Now on the right top, click on here. Now go to My Microsoft account. When you click on it, this window will open. From here, select Security and this window will pop up. Now go to Add a new way to sign in or verify. Choose Use an app. Click on Get it now. Once you will click on Get it now, a new window will open. Click on Next and you will see a QR code. Now what you need to do is you need to go to your phone and download Microsoft Authenticator app, and after installing it in your phone you need to scan this and you will see that your Microsoft account will be there. When you click on it, you will receive a code which you will be entering while logging in. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe to our channel.